Hi everybody, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad bin Sudarman. Today I will be a chef. No, just joking. Okay, how are you today? I hope you all are very fine and stay safe and stay at home. Okay, today I will cook the English breakfast. And the menu of the menu have two. The first is omelette and second is poached egg. But let's on with poached bread and Saute Vegetable. So what do we wait? Let's start it. Okay, the ingredient we must prepare is 4 nose egg, 4 nose hot dog, 4 nose mushroom slice, 8 nose baby tomato, toast bread, buttercup, fresh milk, salt, black pepper powder, and the lastly is vinegar. Okay everyone, the first menu I will make is omelette. Okay, how to make omelette? Firstly, we must do 2 nose of egg and then put in a bowl, and then okay, and then we scrub okay, 2 nose egg. After that, we put the black pepper, 2 nose only. We stir again and again, and then before we forget, we must put the salt. 1 touch only. Scram and scram again. The eggs. Okay, after we scram, we put a fresh milk, 1 spoon only. Okay, 1 spoon only. After we drop or we put the fresh milk in the egg, we scrub again and again until finish. Okay, we go to the next step. Okay, we continue about the omelette egg. Before we make the omelette, we put butter. Yes, put a butter. We do like this. Until the butter with the boiling. Okay, after that we put the egg omelette. Okay, and then we will flip the omelette. We flip. The omelette. So now we look what can I say? The result of the omelette. Okay, alright, done for omelette. Okay, we continue and return to poached egg. Okay, the first thing first, to make a poached egg, we must boiling a water, and then don't forget put 2 spoons of vinegar and strain vinegar in the boiling water. Then we will wait until water boiling. Okay, after water was boiling, we stir again in the water, stir again and again. Then we put slowly the edge. Slowly and slowly the water, and don't make the egg was brown. Okay. Wash it, and then so we already done the poached egg, but the poached egg is not perfect lah. Okay, we continue to how to make a toast bread. Okay, first of all, we must heat a butter. We heat the butter, make sure the butter, the whole of in the bowl. And then we put wholemeal bread. A slice of the wholemeal bread on the butter. We flip the other sides. If the butter not enough, we can add a butter again to make sure the wholemeal bread will mix in the whole bread lah. And don't forget to flip the bread until the bread is crispy. Okay, we done of the toast bread. Okay, next we will make a Saute vegetable. Like the same, the first thing we must heat the butter. Heat the butter. Make sure the butter will heat the whole of the bowl. And then we put the mushroom slice. And then we put a baby tomato. Still mushroom and baby tomato together. Until the mushroom and the baby tomato will already cooked. Okay, we continue to the fried hot dog. First of all, we must heat the butter. Heat the butter until boiling, until the butter boiling, and make sure the butter wool on the bowl. Okay, after that, you put the hot dog. Put the hot dog. And you can flip the hot dog on the butter. I'm sorry, on the butter until the hot dog will grill. You can put any position the hot dog to make sure the hot dog will really cook and grill lah. Flip and flip the hot dog. Okay, so I'm done to make two menu. The main menu for English breakfast, I already done. Make omelette, make poached egg, make toast bread, and then we make the Saute Vegetable. Okay. So, but before that, I am really sorry with my grammar English or my broken English. Okay. So, are you ready, guys, to make this out of we'll make the finishing of the English breakfast. So, are you ready? Alright, let's start.